guys, Joe DeMarco from the Crazy New York Driver Show. Today is Monday, December the 14th, 2020. Welcome to my Hess toy truck unboxing and critiquing video, where I will show you the features that this little truck has this year. Before we get started, I would like to point out, look at that. Once again, cloudy with a mixture of rain and snow. We're going to get a foot of snow on Wednesday. And like I say when I come out here, every week we do not get a single sunny day at all. Let us now talk about the Hess toy truck for 2020. As you can see once again, Hess has added a lot of chrome to this particular truck. You've got your chrome wheels, chrome side view mirrors, step bumper, battery box, and tool chest right here. That's on the side. Now if we spin it around to look at the front, we of course have our chrome bumper, chrome grille, chrome sun visor right here. Spinning it over on top, chrome light bar, chrome stacks, dual stacks on the side. Looking at the rear of it, once again, chrome bumper. Now this, once again, is actually a toy within a toy, because if we open the back doors, in the back of the ambulance itself, we have a small rescue truck. Let's take a look at the rescue truck now. You've got your chrome hubcaps, dual chrome stacks, chrome side rails, chrome sun visor and light bar, chrome bumpers, chrome scoop, chrome rear bumper. And it says Hess on the back and rescue. Now, let's take a look at what everybody really cares about, and that's the lights on these vehicles. When you get this as a present, first thing you're going to want to do is remove this pull tab to operate the lights. So we'll do that right now. We're going to turn this one on. Let me shut the lights off in here. This will help give you a better view. In this position, the headlights are on, as you can see. The top roof light is on. You can see it better if you look that way. Even the hood scoop lights up. See that? On your back, you've got your rear tail lights on. You've got the sign that says Hess 2020. That's illuminated as well. The emblems on the doors are also illuminated. Now, let's go to the big truck. Once again, we're going to remove our pull tab, which is right here. Pull that out. Now, there's going to be an on-off switch right here. See it in red? You can turn it to on. When you turn it to on, everything lights up. You've got your headlights, lights in the bumper, lights on top, marker lights, your Hess logos on the side, both light up, rear tail lights and clearance lights on top, illuminated. So yeah, that's that one. You can see it's got a nice clear flat window on the side, and it also lights up on the inside. You have an option on the bottom here to mute. Right now I have the truck on mute. Now on top, there are 4 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first button makes the light flash like that. That's the second button. Come on, guys. Okay. It looks to me, oh wow, look at that. Alternating headlights flashing and alternating roof lights flashing. Let's take a look at the back and see how that looks from the back. It seems as though this mode only lasts a few seconds, unless I accidentally hit the button when I turned it around. But this is, see that? Did you see? It only lasts about 5 or 10 seconds. You have to continue manually pressing the driver's side button on top, and they'll flash like that. See that? Pretty neat, right? Now you got your four-way flashes on. This is the second button from the driver's side. Four-way flashes work, I should have showed you that, they work in conjunction with the flashing headlight and the flashing roof light as seen there. Third button over does that. And finally, the last button all the way over on the far right does it that way. All right, so you've got 4 different choices of how you want your headlights to flash. Remember, right now I have the truck in the mute position. To be able to hear the siren, your truck must be in the on position, not mute. Hit the button. Let's see the next one. All right, we've got 4 different sirens that we can use when responding to emergencies. I like that. So yeah, okay. What are the positive and the negative aspects of this truck? Well, positive, it's a new design, which is nice and neat. If you look here, each truck comes in a box within a box, as usual. So, you know, I mean, it's a new design for 2020. It's cool. I like it. My only bit of a complaint is that they launched the truck back in October. And I feel that really takes away from the season. The Hess toy truck has always been known as a good Christmas gift. And the fact that they launched it so early, I think maybe took away from a little bit of it. I ordered mine almost 3 weeks ago. And do you know that they didn't even ship it out for 8 days since the date of order? So if you didn't get your truck yet and you ordered it, don't worry, it's probably in the mail. I sure hope it is. I know the mail's been very slow lately, and they're having unprecedented delays. But if your truck was shipped, Hess would have sent you an email telling you when it was shipped. So check your email. And guys, talk to me. Talk to me. Do you like the truck this year? What are the positive and negative aspects, in your own opinion? I'd like to know what you think about the Hess toy truck for 2020. Guys, I'm Crazy New York Driver. You're not. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in a few days. I'll probably do a video on Wednesday about the big nor'easter that's coming. See you then. Rock on and peace!